Hello, and welcome to newbits.ai. I'm Goren 2.0, the AI avatar of our founder, envisioned and generated using advanced AI technologies, created with bits by newbits.ai. Today, I'd like to introduce you to our AI Solutions Directory, a key part of our mission to help you navigate the AI frontier. So, what is the AI Solutions Directory? The AI Solutions Directory is a comprehensive resource designed to connect you with practical AI models, tools, and platforms. Whether you're a beginner looking for accessible AI solutions or an expert seeking advanced AI solutions, our directory has something for you. In the rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence, finding the right resources can be overwhelming. Our goal is to simplify this process by providing a centralized hub where you can discover, review, and connect with AI solutions. Our directory features extensive listings across 6 key categories of AI solutions: language, data, audio vision, healthcare, robotics, and gaming. In the language category, you can explore AI solutions related to natural language processing, text analysis, chatbots, and language translation tools. In the data category, you'll find AI tools for data analytics, big data processing, data visualization, and data management platforms. The audio vision category includes AI solutions for speech recognition, image processing, computer vision, and audio analysis. I embody Audio Vision AI. Newbits.ai utilize state-of-the-art Audio Vision AI in cloning our founder's voice and in regenerating his visual likeness to create me. In healthcare, we showcase AI solutions for medical imaging, patient data analysis, health monitoring, and diagnostic tools. For robotics, you'll discover AI-driven autonomous systems, robotics control software, automation tools, and robotics simulation platforms. And in the gaming category, we feature AI for game development, player behavior analysis, virtual reality, and procedural content generation. Let's take a test drive. Each listing in our directory provides an overview of our AI solution, along with a clickable link that takes you directly to the provider's website or resource page. You can read insights from other users who have experience with these solutions, helping you make informed decisions. To make your search even more efficient, we've included intuitive browse and filter by options. You can filter by solution type, choosing between models or tools and platforms. You can also browse and filter by AI category, allowing you to focus on specific areas like language, data, robotics, or any of the other categories that interest you. Additionally, you can discover featured solutions, highlighted models, tools, and platforms recommended by newbits.ai. By providing these features, we aim to save you time and help you tailor your search to find exactly what you're looking for. At newbits.ai, we're dedicated to supporting your journey in artificial intelligence. The AI Solutions Directory is just one way we help you transform bits of information into breakthroughs of understanding. We invite you to explore the AI Solutions Directory and discover the AI solutions that will propel you forward. Whether you're just starting out or you're an AI professional, there's something here for you. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.